Welcome to the assembly video of the AC ELWA-E. The device consists of two parts that can be installed independently of each other. Therefore, the heating rod is initially still separated from the electronic unit for easier installation in the heat storage unit. Make sure that the O-ring is properly placed in its groove. When screwing in, the heating rod must be screwed in without force until the seal is lightly in place. Then tighten with a spanner. When using a pipe wrench, include a cloth to protect the hexagon. The tightening torque must not exceed 50 Newton meters. This corresponds to a weight of 5 kg, with a lever length of 1 meter, or a weight of 10 kg with a lever length of half a meter. After refilling the water tank and checking for leaks, the electronic unit is mounted. First, the anti-rotation screw must be screwed on. There are two screw-in points to choose from. Choose the position that allows the connecting frame to be aligned vertically afterwards. Hook in the black connecting frame. To do this, hold the frame vertically and push it onto the mounting ring of the heating rod from top to bottom until it snaps into place. Here again in detail. Establish electrical connections between the heating rod and the electronics unit. Start with the 3-pin temperature sensor. Then plug in the 6-pin heating rod connection until it snaps into place. Arrange the wires and hang the electronic unit in the connection frame from the bottom to the top. Screw the electronics unit to the connection frame using the fixing screw. For easier access, the electronic unit can be turned to the side until it hits the anti-rotation screw. Don't use violence. Let's now move on to connecting the AC ELWA-E to the house mains. The AC ELWA-E must be connected to a nominal voltage of 230 VAC. The conductor cross-sections at the mains connection must be at least 2.5 mm squared. The mains connection fuse for the AC ELWA-E must not exceed 16 amp. No other loads may be connected to the circuit, otherwise the maximum power of the AC ELWA-E must be throttled. Slide the black plastic nut of the strain relief onto the on-site mains cable. Note the direction. Strip the wires and connect them to the screw terminals according to the labelling on the 3-pin plug. With fine stranded wires, we recommend the use of ferrules. Put the strain relief over the plug and fix it with the black plastic nut. Check tightness. Then mount the cable with the strain relief by using the fixing screw on the main supply connection of the electronics unit. Depending on the type of communication with the signal source, the connection options are shown in the respective wiring diagrams. Here we show the connection to a network router via LAN cable. In addition, the AC ELWA-E is equipped with Wi-Fi. Alternatively, it can also communicate wirelessly with its signal source. If the external temperature sensor is used, you can see here how it is connected to the 8-pin connector. The polarity does not matter, but make sure that the terminal points are correctly assigned. Depending on the operating mode, the further wiring can be taken from the respective wiring diagrams. Here is an application example with LAN communication and with use of the external temperature sensor. At the end, the cables are arranged and the unit is aligned vertically. And here is the finished AC ELWA-E. Feel free to post any questions in the comments. See you next time.
Empowering the solar future.